Okay, so here we're given some information about a fictional bank's liquidity ratio and how it's risen by 157%. We're told its short-term liabilities are £232 billion. We need to identify how many liquid assets are available to meet these short-term demand withdrawals by the customers of this bank, rounding our answer to 2 decimal places. Well, first of all, we have to remind ourselves of what the liquidity coverage ratio actually is. It is dividing the liquid assets of the bank by the short-term liabilities. Now, it should become abundantly clear here we're going to be required to rearrange this particular ratio because we know what the liquidity coverage ratio of the bank is, that's 157%, and we also know what the short-term liabilities are, that's £232 billion. What we don't know is this top part here, the liquid assets, which is what the question is asking us to find. Now, by rearranging this particular equation, we're going to multiply by both sides of the equation short-term liabilities. That removes it on this side, and it means we're left with the liquidity coverage ratio multiplied by the short-term liabilities, and that's equal to the amount of liquid assets the bank holds. We know what those values are, so we can just plug them in, and as we're dealing with a percentage at the top here, if we want to get the monetary value for liquid assets, we need to put the liquidity coverage ratio into a decimal by dividing by 100, which gives us 1.57 multiplied by £232 billion. If we do that calculation, we get £364.24 billion, which is the correct answer.